Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Please like, share and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section.
How to make chocolate reindeer cookies. Contains 1,203 calories. Ingredients needed. 1 cup of butter. 2 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 3 2 eggs. 4 1½ tablespoons of vanilla. 5 1 cup of sugar. 6 2 3/4 cups of flour. 7 1/2 cup of cocoa. 8 1 tablespoon of baking soda.
If you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and leave a comment. Feel free to ask questions.